Tarini and I'm from BBT 5A, and today I'm going to be conducting my first lab assessment, which is accuracy and precision measurement. So the apparatus that I'm going to be using in this lab activity is kitchen balance, an empty container, and water. I've added food coloring into this to differentiate, and a tumbler with scales. I'm going to be using 3 volumetric flasks, which is the tumbler, measuring cup, and a bottle. So first, I'm going to be measuring the weight of the cup, empty container. Make sure your eyes is parallel to the scale to avoid parallax error. So the weight of the empty container is 25 grams. And I'm going to be writing down. Be measuring the weight of the empty container once again. So this is my second reading. So it's 25 grams. So next, I'm gonna be using the measuring cup to measure 100 milliliters of water. Then now I'm going to pour it inside the empty container. Now I'm going to measure. So it is 125 grams. So and next I'm gonna do it once again. I'm going to repeat this step once again to get my second reading. Stop பண்ணிருங்க. So this is my second reading now. So it's the same as the first reading, which is 125 grams. And next, I'm gonna be measuring using the tumbler. Stop பண்ணிடுங்க. Stop பண்ணிடுங்க. So now I've measured 100 milligrams, 100 milliliter of the water, and I've poured it into the empty container. So it is 125 grams. So this is my first reading using the tumbler scale. So I'm going to repeat this step once again to get the second reading. So now I'm conducting my second reading. $125 grams. So next I'm going to be using bottle. So this is the first reading for bottle. So it's 125 grams. And I am going to repeat the step once again to improve the accuracy. And this is my second reading. Once again, it's 125 grams. That is all for today's activity, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Najla binti Nashuha. I'm from DBT 5A. I will do an experiment about precision and accuracy at measurement. In this experiment, I will be use a digital balance. First, I will use an empty container and weight the empty container on a digital balance. The weight of the empty container is 12 gram. Then, I will wait for the second time just to get more accurate reading. The weight is 13 gram. Next, I will use a measuring cup. I will measure 100 ml of tap water in the measuring cup. Then, I pour it into the empty container. And place it on the digital balance. Weight of the water and container is 94 gram. Then I will wait for the second time just to get more precise measurement. The weight is same, which is 94 gram. Then I will use a tumbler. I will measure 100 ml of tap water on the tumbler. Then I pour it into the empty container and place it on the digital balance. The weight of the water and container is 93 gram. Then I will wait for the second time. I pour it into the empty container. The weight is 92 gram. Lastly, I will use a bottle. I will measure 100 ml of tap water in the bottle. Then I pour it into the empty container and place it on the digital balance. The weight of the water and container is 97 gram. Then I will wait for the second time. The weight is same, which is 97 gram.